Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video, we are discussing what are the different types of basic charts which we know if we are learning Power BI and how can we create those charts. So we are discussing each and every chart but in our separate videos, but in this video we are going to discuss column chart. Okay, so we are going to see what charts are the basic charts that we should know in Power BI. Okay, so first is column chart. Second is stack chart, pie chart, donut chart, funnel chart and ribbon chart. Okay, these were the basic charts which you should know if you are working with Power BI. Okay, and other than this, you should know the gauge chart, okay, and the KPIs. What is KPI in Power BI? Okay, and cards, filters. Okay, so these were the basic terms which you should know if you're applying somewhere from data analysis post and they require Power BI, then these were the basic terms you should know. Okay, for freshers. If you are not a fresher, then you should know some advanced concept of Power BI. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's discuss how we can create column chart in Power BI and how we can format the column chart. Okay, so for that, here I am. So let's open our Power BI desktop. This is our main interface as we discussed in our first video of Power BI series. Okay, in second video we discussed this whole interface, and in our third video we are discuss about our Power Query editor. Okay, and this is our fourth video in which we are see how we can create a column chart in Power BI. So this is a superstore data set. Here if you click on this arrow button, then you can find all the columns present in your data set. Okay, so if you want to create a column chart, then first you should go to this visualization pane, and here you need to select the stack the column chart. Okay, so this is the column chart. I will increase the size of this chart. Okay, and now if I want to see sales, just click on this checkbox, okay, of sales column, and on the basis of, for example, if I want my sales on the basis of states, okay, so just click on this state. It will automatically create a chart for you. Okay, so now if you want to see, so this was the sales for each and every state present in our data set, but if I want only the top 5 states, if I only want to see the data of my top 5 states or sales of the top 5 states, then what should we do? We go to this filter pen. Okay, just click on this state, and here you need to select the filter type. So here I am selecting the top n, and here you need to provide the value of n. Okay, so for example, if I want top 5 states, then I mention here state, and here you need to fill the data field. Okay, so here I want my data on the basis of state, so I have put the states. Okay, and just click here the apply filter. Okay, so here the top 5 states with the highest sales is there. Okay, now let's see some small formatting. So for that, just go to this visualization pen, and here you have format your visual. Okay, just click on this, and here if you want to increase the size of your x-axis or format your x-axis, just click here, and here you can increase the size of your axis. The values present in the x-axis, you are basically increasing the size of this value. You can change the you can format this font. Okay, you can make it bold. Okay, and okay, max height you can give, and here you also have this title. Okay, if you want to give a specific title, then you can do it from here, and for y-axis you can go here. Okay, you can increase and decrease the size of minimum and maximum. Okay, if I choose minimum as this and maximum as 3000. Okay, or we can say 30,000. It might be okay. Or if you want to give it 50,000, then it clearly visible the difference between each and every column. Okay, and here you see the values. You can increase the size of this value, and if you want to change the font, you can do this. Okay, now if you want to change the font color, then you can also do from here. And if you want to see the title, or increase the size of the title in y-axis, then you can do this. Or if you don't want any title, just turn the title off. Okay, and similarly in x-axis we can see here, this is our x-axis title. If you want to increase the font size for this, you can also do that. Or if you don't want any title in x or y axis, then you can just turn off the title of each axis. Okay, now this is a grid line, which if it is visible to you, there is a dot lines present here. If you do not want this, just turn it off. Okay, here you have data labels. If you on it, the values is visible here. You can also format this data labels. Okay, just go to values, you can increase its size. Okay, you can change the font color. Okay, so this is the plot area. If you put any image, you want to put an image, then you can do that. Okay, for further visualization, if you want to format this title, then you go to this generals, go to properties, and here you can see the size. You can change the size of this chart. Okay, and in title you can increase the size of your title. You can align your title at center, left, right. If you want to change the background color, font color, then the option is available here. Okay, and if you go to effects, from here you can put the color, different colors on your charts. Okay, if you have one gray, then just here blue. Okay, so that's how you can format your column chart. Okay, you can also do this visual borders, and if you rounded the corner, it will round the corner and give up nice shape to your chart. Okay, so I hope so you all enjoyed this session and learned how to create a column chart. So that is most commonly used chart for creating your this chart. From here you need to choose the visual, which is select the column chart, and you can select your fields from this table, and you can easily create your chart and you can format your chart. Okay, so thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.